Hey there! In today's video, I'll show you how to upload custom CSS to your SendGrid email for more control over the design. First, log into your SendGrid dashboard and go to Marketing. Click on Single Sends. Create a new campaign, and in the email editor, switch to HTML mode. In the HTML editor, you can directly paste your custom CSS within the style tags in the head section of your email. This allows you to style your email elements like fonts, colors, and layout beyond the basic drag and drop options. Once you've added your CSS, click Preview to see how your email looks. Make sure to test it on different devices and email clients to ensure that your custom styling is displayed correctly. And that's it. Custom CSS gives you more flexibility to design emails exactly the way you want. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more design tips. If you haven't tried SendGrid, just hit the link in the description and get your free trial today.